Hello everyone. In our whole life, there are many times when we have to introduce ourselves to others. That's our first impression that makes a big impact on how people see us. Whether it's meeting new friends, starting a job, or joining a new group, the way we introduce ourselves sets the tone for our interactions. It's our chance to show who we are, what we're passionate about, and what makes us unique. So let's make the most of these opportunities to connect, inspire, and create lasting impressions. Welcome to Speak Peak English, where we'll explore the art of introductions and much more. In today's video, we will learn how to introduce ourselves in 4 different settings. Additionally, we will practice our listening and speaking skills. Let's begin. Listen carefully. How to introduce yourself.
Social self-introduction. Hi everyone, I'm Celia, a doctor from lively New York City. I became a doctor because I really wanted to help people, and that's what I do every day. Whether I'm figuring out what's making someone sick or just being there to support them, I'm all about making things better for others. Outside of work, I enjoy exploring different parts of the city, trying out new foods, and relaxing with a good book. And I'm always up for meeting new people and making new friends, so feel free to reach out. I'd love to get to know you.
Formal self-introduction. Good morning, sir. My name is Sam, and I'm a recent graduate in computer science from the Polytechnic University of Milan. I'm eager to embark on my professional journey and bring my full potential to the table. During my time at university, I honed my skills in various aspects of computer science, including programming languages and software development. I am excited to join your organization and contribute my expertise to your team. In the past, I have had the opportunity to work with different clients and organizations where I developed strong problem-solving skills and a keen eye for detail. I am confident that my educational background and practical experience have equipped me well for the challenges of the industry. Thank you for considering my application, and I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how I can contribute to your organization's success.
Personal self-introduction. Hi everyone, I'm Anna. I'm from Cork, Ireland, and I'm 16 years old. My biggest dream is to become a fantastic swimmer and compete in the final World Championships one day. Even though there are still many years ahead before I can compete on that big stage, I'm dedicated to making my dream a reality. I practice swimming every single day and participate in small local competitions to get closer to achieving my goal. Swimming isn't just a hobby for me, it's my passion, and I'm determined to work hard to make my dreams come true.
Academic self-introduction. Hello everyone, my name is Lily. I'm 17 years old, and I'm thrilled to be starting my first day here at Santa Monica High School in California. My family recently moved here from Malibu, where I attended high school up until the 11th grade. Transitioning to a new school can be a bit nerve-wracking, but I'm excited for this fresh start and to meet all of you. In my previous school in Malibu, I excelled both academically and athletically. I have a strong passion for mathematics and have always enjoyed tackling challenging problems. Additionally, I was actively involved in sports and played football on the school team. Now, as I embark on this new chapter, I'm looking forward to continuing my academic journey and exploring new opportunities here at Santa Monica High School. Thank you all for welcoming me, and I can't wait to be a part of this school community. We listened to introductions from 4 different people in various settings. Now, it's time to explore those methods to make them clearer. Before we continue, if you find this video informative, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also, mention your city in the comment box and let me know which setting is most helpful for you. Let's continue. 1. Social self-introduction. This is when you tell a bit about yourself in a casual way, like your hobbies or where you're from. It's for chatting with friends or meeting new people. when you say who you are and what you like in a friendly way. For example, "Hi, I'm Celia. I'm a doctor from New York. Helping people is my passion." 2. Formal self-introduction. This is when you give important details like your name, job, and education. You use it in serious situations like job interviews or meetings. When you introduce yourself politely in a serious way, often in a job interview or meeting. For example, "Good morning, sir. My name is Sam, and I'm a recent graduate in computer science." 3. Personal self-introduction. This is when you share things about yourself that are important to you, like your dreams or passions. It helps people understand who you really are. When you tell people about yourself, including your dreams or what makes you unique. For example, "Hi everyone, I'm Anna. My biggest dream is to become a fantastic swimmer and compete in the FINA World Championships." 4. Academic self-introduction. This is when you talk about your education, what you're good at in school, and what you want to achieve. You use it in school to tell classmates or teachers about yourself. When you introduce yourself in a school or educational setting, sharing details about your studies and interests. For example, "Hello everyone, my name is Lily. I'm excited to be starting my first day here at Santa Monica High School in California." It's time for a repeat after me session to practice our listening and speaking skills. Are you ready? Let's practice. How to introduce yourself.
Social self-introduction. Hi everyone, I'm Celia, a doctor from lively New York City. I became a doctor because I really wanted to help people. And that's what I do every day. Whether I'm figuring out what's making someone sick or just being there to support them, I'm all about making things better for others. Outside of work, I enjoy exploring different parts of the city, trying out new foods, and relaxing with a good book. And I'm always up for meeting new people and making new friends. So feel free to reach out. I'd love to get to know you.
Formal self-introduction. Good morning, sir. My name is Sam, and I'm a recent graduate in computer science from the Polytechnic University of Milan. I'm eager to embark on my professional journey and bring my full potential to the table. During my time at university, I honed my skills in various aspects of computer science, including programming languages and software development. I am excited to join your organization and contribute my expertise to your team. In the past, I have had the opportunity to work with different clients and organizations where I developed strong problem-solving skills and a keen eye for detail. I am confident that my educational background and practical experience have equipped me well for the challenges of the industry. Thank you for considering my application and I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how I can contribute to your organization's success.
Personal self-introduction. Hi everyone, I'm Anna. I'm from Cork, Ireland, and I'm 16 years old. My biggest dream is to become a fantastic swimmer and compete in the final World Championships one day. Even though there are still many years ahead before I can compete on that big stage, I'm dedicated to making my dream a reality. I practice swimming every single day and participate in small local competitions to get closer to achieving my goal. Swimming isn't just a hobby for me, it's my passion, and I'm determined to work hard to make my dreams come true.
Academic self-introduction. Hello everyone, my name is Lily. I'm 17 years old, and I'm thrilled to be starting my first day here at Santa Monica High School in California. My family recently moved here from Malibu, where I attended high school up until the 11th grade. Transitioning to a new school can be a bit nerve-wracking, but I'm excited for this fresh start and to meet all of you. In my previous school in Malibu, I excelled both academically and athletically. I have a strong passion for mathematics and have always enjoyed tackling challenging problems. Additionally, I was actively involved in sports and played football on the school team. Now, as I embark on this new chapter, I'm looking forward to continuing my academic journey and exploring new opportunities here at Santa Monica High School. Thank you all for welcoming me, and I can't wait to be a part of this school community. In this video, we explored the importance of effective self-introductions in different settings: social, formal, personal, and academic. Remember to be clear, confident, and authentic when introducing yourself. Practice listening and speaking skills to improve communication. Like, subscribe, and comment with your city to let us know which setting was most helpful. Keep practicing.